Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, Head Currency Analyst. In this video we're going to actually take a look at Bitcoin as Blueberry Markets now offer this as a tradable asset on MQL5. So if you are with Blueberry Markets and you have the MetaTrader 5 downloaded, you will be able to trade the CFD of Bitcoin. So how do we take advantage of it? Can we actually make some money trading it? Absolutely, okay. And what I'm seeing right now is this key couple of areas between around about 8,500 and 6,000. We've got this really nice high in here around July 2018 and a low here also around about that same similar time, but in June 2018 as well as August. Okay, now this area here was quite significant around about that 6,000 area in the past, because this is where we actually retraced to before we're seeing that significant rise of Bitcoin. And for me now, it's how we can analyze this and what could happen next. Now, the market is at these key structure highs looking left and is potentially forming an evening star pattern. It's not the best evening star pattern. Obviously, there's a couple of different variations of this pattern, but this is quite similar to an evening star. And this weekly pattern also suggests that we could see some further downside. So what we actually may see is the price of Bitcoin coming back to at least 6,000 before seeing any kind of buyers come back into it. So if we go down into the 4-hour time frame, we can look at the structure of this market and what's actually forming currently, and we can see that the market changed cyclicity really nicely. Okay, so we had the market push into this 8,500 level. Okay, double top, broke through, lower low, lower high, push down, lower low, and now the market is just consolidating in this triangle pattern. Bitcoin loves to do this. Other cryptocurrencies as well really are consolidation based. They move quite irregularly compared to the FX markets, but sometimes they like to consolidate and then break out. So what we could expect here at this point in there, sorry, the screen froze a second, and head back towards that $6,000 level. Just bringing in the moving averages quickly, so 50, 20 and the 10. We can see that our moving averages are in order now. It hasn't fully stuck to this in the past when the market has been quite high in volatility. However, when there's a nice trend forming, they do stick to these moving averages quite well. So we might actually get a small move higher, perhaps into these key lows around about that 8,200 area, and then we could see a fall from there as well. But that weekly setup is definitely suggesting bearish downside rather than any kind of buying coming back into the market. If we are wrong, then we need to see these highs taken out around about 9,200 before getting long again. But we do feel that bearish sentiment will continue into this key $6,000 level. Okay, so if you are trading with Blueberry Markets and on MetaTrader 5, you should see the symbol in your currency market watch list on the left hand side, and you can actively trade this. This has been John Kibler, Head Currency Analyst at Blueberry Markets. Thanks for joining me today. If you're watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe, hit that notification bell to be notified of any upcoming videos, as well as if you're watching on TradingView, give us a follow, comment below, what do you see the next step for Bitcoin? Thanks for watching.